Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of a system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. So SMTP, it is known for everyone, which is known as Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Inside this particular protocol, here we have two protocols which engages this particular SMTP. Those are known as Post Office Protocol and Internet Message Access Protocol. So the Post Office Protocol, it is used to send the data from one place to another place, and Internet Message Access Protocol is nothing but which is used to access the message whatever we have sent through the Post Office Protocol. Because once when we are sending the data, everything will be encoded. And if you are just using directly or without any protocol, if you are trying to access, means it will be like a junk character. So from the junk character means even what to say, it can be said as anonymous, or some messages will be like junk subscriptions. So like that we will be able to receive. And at the same time, if you are using this Internet Message Access Protocol, means from anywhere, from whatever the domain you are sending, either from Microsoft or Hotmail, from anywhere, once when we get that particular data, here we will be able to work upon to the access problems. So for that only we will be using this IMAP. So once when you open your mail, everyone will be able to know that POP3 bar IMAP. So that two protocols only, it will be included in SMTP. So the functions will be like outbound mail. Outbound mails are known as outgoing. From user, from Avast, then mail server, then to internet. Similarly, inbound mail from internet through SMTP to the mail server, to Avast, and to the user. So in this way only the complete mail is being received for everyone. Now the same thing we can work it with our Raspberry Pi as well as our Windows. So hereby this will be our complete code. No need to install even a single file, everything it is available in a raw. So no need to install anything. You can work this for automation, mail automation also inside this code. So hereby just importing this from subprocess, import the call, import time, import OS, import global, SMTP lib, base 64 for encoding and decoding. To attach image, we can use email.mime.image. For subject and other attachments, we will be using multipart. To send the text, we will be using mime text. Now Gmail user, so from which mail ID we are going to send that particular mail, means for that we have to provide this IoT mail ID, then password, then from mail ID and to mail ID. So automatically it gets login. Then from MSG multipart, first we have to enable the subject, so the security is applied. Then body, so the body, it is from pantech solutions regarding the security breach. So everything it will be displayed as that particular message. Then mime text with the body plane. Okay, so this message will be attached to as a text format onto the body of the email. If you have any images into that folder, means that also will be automatically attached using file handling progress. Open HP, read hp.jpg, whatever the image you can provide the name. Read binary. After read binary, mime image should be applied. Once all the data are read, close it and attach it towards the image. Now this is the main SMTP lib.smtp. So from this we have to provide our server as well as the port number. The port number for Gmail is 587. Hello, it is nothing but sending and receiving the command whether the cloud is ready or not. Then start list means all the Gmail user and password, everything will be applied for login purpose. Then send mail from to and the message whatever we have provided along with the attachment. Finally, the server will be closed. If one step, any one of the step it's failed, means it will be messaging us failed to send mail. So if it is stopping after start ls and this message is displayed, means the meaning is the start list there are some wrong, either the name, password, anything, any chances will be there. So we can easily rectify with the help of Python. So hereby, what is that particular login password means? Recently the password has been changed. So just a moment. So here we will be having our mail ID and password which has been provided for the login purpose. So don't forget that particular steps like providing the low security access into our mail. So here I have that respective mail ID to login. So this mail ID is more than enough. Now let us go for the mail and check our configurations. So first log into the mail. Now we have logged in. Go for the security, account, security. Go to that less secure app access and check whether it is on. It must be on always. You are going for this mail automation. Now go to this mail one, click on run. I started to send mail and the mail is sent. Now just opening my mail. Finally received from IoT Pan Master. This will be that image attachment provided. This is from Pantech Solutions regarding security breach. 5:59 p.m. it has been received. Standard encryption, everything is applied. So in this way only we will be working with SMTP. Even the same code can be used inside the Raspberry Pi. There won't be any changes at all over here. We are providing the code in loop, means it is completely working continuous. So hereby I am not going to send any of the image, only a sample mail. So I can comment everything and it won't attach over here. Just run the mail. Nothing I have installed, nothing is no need to install. Everything it is always available and it is inbuilt packages of Python. The most important part, network connection is must. And follow the steps to enable the simple mail transfer. Yes, again the mail is sent. Yeah, 0 minutes ago. So this is what known as SMTP using Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.